Hey guys, today we'll be looking at a demo video of carpooling application that was developed by Smarter. So if you're looking for any carpooling or ride sharing or taxi mobile application, then you're at the right place already. And if talking, let me get into the demo video now. So what you see in the screen here is two screens of the same application with different logins. This application works in a way that it has user profile and driver profile in a single application, meaning a person can either be a user or driver depending on whether he is hopping in into somebody's ride or offering a ride himself. So let me assume the right side screen is going to be for the driver profile. This person is going to offer a ride. So on the top you could see find a ride, offer a ride, and I'm just going to click on this offer a ride. And what I should do next is I need to select a source. Let's say I'm traveling from Tambaram and I'm choosing Velachery as the destination, and next thing will be selecting a date. I'm just gonna choosing December 25th so that I'll remember, and I'm just gonna click on confirm. Oh, sorry, before we move forward, just one thing I forgot to mention here is this select usually travel days that you see here. This is for, let's say I'm traveling from my home to work. I'm commuting on Monday, Friday and Thursday of every week. Then I need not post a ride on daily or on a weekly basis for each Monday, Friday, Thursday. Instead of doing this task repeatedly, what I would do is I can schedule them in advance, so these rides will get posted automatically. But for the demo purpose now, I'm just going to keep these opted out. I'm just going to click on confirm, and the next screen that you see here is going to select the car that I'm going to ride for the day. The list of cars that you see here is from the backend. Whenever I register as a first-time user, I can add the cars and I'll have to get it verified by the admin based on the documents that I upload along with the car details. So if you can see here, this Toyota Innova is verified by the admin. I'm just going to select it and click on next. This server is taking time to load. I'm just gonna click on next again. Okay, and this stopover that you see here, this concept is like, let's say I'm traveling from Tambaram to Velachery and there's a stop in between Gindi, and the person wants to travel from Gindi to Velachery, then he can hop into my ride at Gindi. So he can do so if I enter the stopover here as Gindi, but for the demo purpose I'm just gonna skip this stopover to keep it simple. And the next screen is to select the number of passengers that I'm gonna take for the ride. Let's say I've total number of 4 seats, but still I can choose how many seats I'm gonna be offering. Let's say I'm just gonna offer 1 seat, and now I've increased it to 3. I'll be able to select 3 seats and I can click and continue. And this fare estimate that I'm seeing in the screen right now is from the backend, where the distance is calculated using the Google Places API, and the fare is estimated based on the distance and the base fare set in the backend. So if suppose I agree with the fare, I can click on continue, and if suppose I don't agree, I can click on I don't agree, and I can decrease or increase it to my preference, and then I could continue posting the ride. So now I've successfully posted a ride. What I would do is I'm just gonna find the ride from the user profile. So I have posted a ride from Tambaram to Velachery. I'm just gonna search for that ride, and let's not forget the date. We posted it on Christmas, so I'm just gonna select that and search. If you can see, I'm seeing the details of the ride that was posted by us some time ago. So I'm just gonna request ride. So I'll be able to see the ride details, source, destination, the time, and I can select the seat that I would prefer. So I've chosen the seat S4, so I'll be able to see the fare estimate here, and I could confirm the request. Now my request has been sent to the driver, and I'm clicking on the request on the driver profile, and I would have received the request that the user has sent me. I'll be able to see the user details and the number of seats that he is requesting for, and I'll also have an option to either chat or call the user. So for now I'm just gonna accept the request, and now let's go to the my rights section in the user column. So if you could see the ride is listed here, and its status says it's approved. And let's see the my rights in the driver profile. If you could see the offered rides, this is the ride that we posted. Now I'm just gonna let's assume today is Christmas, and I'm just gonna start the ride. Yeah, so this user detail is here. Only one user has sent a request and we have accepted, so I'm just gonna start the trip with him. So the trip has started, and if I click on the rides in the user profile, I will be able to see the track the ride from the user profile that the driver has started just now. So if you could see in both the screens, the user can also track the driver's arrival, and the driver can also see the user's location. But since I'm talking from the same location and from the same phone, I'm not able to view it now, but this is how it's supposed to work. Real-time tracking can be done both ways. So let's assume I've I've arrived at the user location. I'm just gonna pick up that user. This helps when we have multiple users to be picked up. So I have picked up Hari Narayana, and I'm just gonna complete the drive, drop him. So I've dropped him, and I'm just gonna complete the ride. So my ride is complete here, and the user will be able to look at the payment page now. Like, he'll be shown display of the bill summary. Like, since this is a demo server that we're working with, like, we have certain glitches in the servers, and yeah, finally we got the bill payment page here. Okay, I don't have any money in my wallet. That's the reason I'm not able to select wallet and these two options. I'm just gonna pay by cash, click on pay, and that's it. My ride is done. So this is the basic flow of whatever has been done. And if you like it, maybe you can contact our team, get in touch with us through our email, or you can WhatsApp us. We can speak in detail about your requirements, and we should be able to customize this application to suit your preferences. Thank you for watching the demo.